It's a perfect situation to make musical sounds.
Hello, this is Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead. My sewing room. It's a bit windy today to actually go out and say from my garden, and I'm ignoring my kitchen for a few days until Christmas hits, and then I'll be doing a lot of cooking. But I just wanted to say Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to all that follow this channel. Your watching and comments are much appreciated. May or may not put videos up next week, which is the Christmas week, and same as the first week in New Year. I'm not sure yet. Just see how I'm feeling, because it's not very good at the moment. And so it's Happy Christmas. Bye.
It's a perfect